Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming basic connectivity and a working browser. Make sure your HP laptop has an active Wi-Fi or wired connection and that your browser is up to date. Once done, open Chrome or Edge and type Gmail. Com in the address bar. You'll see the sign-in button immediately. Click it to open the sign-in form. This gets you straight into Google's sign-in flow, so you can enter your account credentials next. Now you enter your email address and then your password. Be precise so you don't trigger extra checks. You can use the Show Password option briefly to confirm characters, then click Next. If Google asks for two-step verification, follow the on-screen choice. Tap the prompt on your phone, enter an SMS code, or use your Authenticator app. Make sure to allow camera or app prompts if required. Once the verification succeeds, Google will finally decide whether to stay signed in. Only use that on your personal HP laptop for convenience. Once inside Gmail, scan your inbox and look for security alerts or confirmation emails. Make sure recovery phone and secondary email are set under Google account settings to avoid lockouts. If you can't sign in, click Forgot Password or use Account Recovery. Follow the prompts to verify identity with recovery email or phone. A key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cookies and try a private window if pages fail to load.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.